So let's try this one. Suppose this is the Fibonacci series. There are different ways to do this. I'm going to introduce this one because the other one I can make you completely understand it, but it's very complicated. But with this one, you may not fully understand it, but it's easy to do.
Okay, so that's how you prove it?
I'm going to present how we can find that formula.
For Fibonacci?
Yeah, the closed form formula. We can get it, right? You can test it later on. Well, you're already familiar with the Fibonacci series, right?
Yes.
The numbers get bigger and bigger. It gets bigger really, really quick, which makes it hard to, let's say, find out if somebody says, what is F100?
I don't know.
It's very big.
A few billion zillion.
Yeah, it's very big.
Okay.
Right? So it would be nice for us to have a formula, a closed form formula, so that it's easier to estimate how big the number is.
Right? Estimate?
Yeah, so estimate. Because if you see the formula, it's not that easy to calculate the values.
Oh, okay.
Right? But if you use a computer, it's still doable. I mean,
yeah.
It's still doable. Now, this is how it starts. It's a little clueless, but somehow this is how it starts.
Right.
So if you look at anything like this, right? If you follow this pattern, you would notice that if I create something like r to the power of n equals r to the power of n minus 1 plus r to the power of n minus 2.
This exists?
If this is a sequence, so for example, if people say my sequence is a sub n equals to r to the power of n.
Oh, I see.
Right?
Okay.
If this equals to that, and then you would have a sub n minus 1 equals r to the power of n minus 1, and a sub n minus 2 equals r to the power of n minus 2.
What?
All right? So when you're saying a sub n equals a sub n minus 1 plus a sub n minus 2, you're just like saying r to the power of n equals r to the power of n minus 1 plus r to the power of n minus 2.
Wait, what? I don't get it.
So let's say this is an explicit formula for a sub n, right?
Okay.
So if you tell me that this works, right?
Yeah.
It's like saying this works.
Okay.
Right? Because the n here, like n minus 1, n minus 2.
Yeah.
Right? So when you're saying this works,
oh, I get it.
This fits that pattern.
Same thing.
Yeah, it'll fit that pattern.
To me, it looked like a circular logic.
Yeah, the thing